You're a clever. You are clever, aren't you? Yeah. You are. Yes. Right. This is part 2 of the. This is part. Every time I talk, this is part 2 of the taste test of Cookie. Now, don't bite it. Don't mess it up. Now wait. Let Daddy get the special treat. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try. I'm going to try the lettuce. Oh shit! No, he likes the lettuce. Now let me try something. No, I'm trying to get it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We'll try some we'll try some cabbage. All right. Put the cabbage in there. Do you like it? Now see if you like it. You don't. You like it? Taste it. Good boy. You're dropping it. You don't like it. You want it? Oh. Daddy likes it. No, I don't. No, he really doesn't like that, do you? Right. So we leave that there because we know he doesn't like that. So no, that's what you said. Right, let's see if he likes carrot. We'll try his carrot because he hasn't. What did you do with the? What did you do with the? What did you do with the cabbage? No, don't start throwing the plate. This is not part. Right, sorry. He said sorry. Good boy. Right, now this is carrot. See if you like carrot. Right, go on it. That's it. Try it. You like it? Taste it. No, you don't like it. No. Okay, that's a no. That's what you said. Yeah, that's what you said. Right, let's try these again. Try these. Yeah, come here. That's a good boy. Oh, there's the cabbage. Right. Now this. How about that? Yeah. Go on, take it. Test it. Come on, do you want it? Do you want it? You want it? No. No. I don't know what these. Oh, these are sort of whatever you call them. No, I don't like them either. Right. Now. Hurry up, he said. Let's try the lettuce. Don't do. Right. That's all right. That's all right. Now, let's put the lettuce there. What about the lettuce? You like the lettuce, didn't you? Yeah, clever boy. Yeah? Okay. Okay. You like the lettuce? You do? You like it? Oh dear, this isn't going so well. Good boy. That's it. It tastes good? Yeah? It tastes good. So he slightly likes the lettuce. Good boy. Right, okay, so let's try. I know he likes broccoli. That's gotta be onion. No, I don't think there's anything else that's any good in it. Yeah. Now let's do the broccoli because I know you like broccoli, don't you? It's all over the bloody room. It's all over the. Okay, how about that? Yes, good boy. Likes the broccoli. Oh dear. Right. There's only onions left, I think, in that thing, and I can't give you onions. So it's broccoli, lettuce. Well, at least it's definitely broccoli, right? Okay, so there you go. That went well. And you know you don't like cabbage, do you? Oh, it's a shame because cabbage is good for you. It makes you fart, doesn't it? Yay! Good boy! Yay! Whee! Okay, right, we've finished. I think we've finished. This is territorial knock. Right, let's just see. Let's see. Wait there. Wait, don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Hold on. Hold on. This is a different. Yeah, this is a different piece of cabbage. Have a look. Oh dear. That looked a bit odd, didn't it? That did. Oh, for crying out loud! He does that. You did it. You did it again. I know, he says. You did it again. Oh no! You do that. You do that every. That means I've got a bloody. That's what you did. Yeah. Hey, clever boy. Yeah. All right. Well. Okay. Okay. That's the end of the game. I think. Not the game. Next time I'm in Sainsbury's, I'll buy a different type of batch of vegetables because this one doesn't seem to have anything else except for onions and this horrible. It looks a little bit off as well. Yeah, it's not any good. So okay, you did well, Cocky. Good boy. You're teaching Daddy. Yeah, you're teaching Daddy. Yeah, you're teaching Daddy new tricks. Not new tricks. New things you like. So we can use broccoli as a training tool now. You know. Make some mess. Let me put it back on. Let's just clean it up. That's alright. Alright. Yeah? Clean it up. And broccoli as well. That's better. Right. No! Cocky. Oh, you've done it again! It's all over the floor! You clumsy. Well, that's what I said. Yay! Alright. Oh dear. It's never good. Oh dear. It's all over the floor as usual. Alright. That's the end. That's the end of part. Alright. We'll have to do another taste test another day. He has to be in the right mood, I think, for this stuff. You could see me failing miserably here. Yeah, hey, what you doing with your 20p coin? Right, okay, ladies and gentlemen. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Cookie. Not play with your 20p. Say goodbye. Bye-bye, Cookie. Bye-bye, my darling. Say bye-bye. That's it, good boy. Yay! Bye-bye. Whee! You're crazy. You're crazy, boy. Whee! God, I thought he smashed the window. Look. He likes this. It's your bubble. Look, yeah, it's here. Do you like it? Look, it's clever. Look. He's a clever boy. Oh! Cocky, he snatched it. Alright. You love it? Come on then, let me get it. Go on. Yeah. Ready? Oh, it's a clever baby. Grab it, quick. It's coming. You go, wee. Good boy, go on in. Yeah. Oh, wee. Oh, my dear, my darling, wee. Boppity boppity, Cookie dancey, boppity. Cookie's a special boy, and he's such a sexy boy. Oh, all right. Okay. Right, ready? Go on in. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye then. Bye. All right.